Hello my students, how are you prep 1? Today we'll explain from الدقهلية government. هنحل إن شاء الله model number 2 second term. First question, show the correct answer. Experiment of throwing a fair die once. How many times of a pairing number divisible by 3? We can count the number divisible by 3 like 3, 6 and the die. So we can raise the event here 3 and 6 and then find the probability of any element. Here we have 2 over the total number was 6. The result will be 1 over third. يعني بيجيب النمبرز divisible by 3 3 and 6 تعمل count when divided the total number of the die. عارفين طبعا die here from 1 to 6. Then we have 2 digits from 6 digits. 2 over 6 will be 1 over 3. Choose letter A. Quarter of the number 2 over 20, 2 power 20. Quarter it's meaning 1 over 4. Reduced by 2 power 20. Look at here, fourths it will be 2 power 2 in numerator like this. 2 power 20 over 4. And we can write 2 power 20 over 2 power 2. Or you can write this. product by 2 power 20. ممكن تكتبها بالطريقتين يا حبيبي. طيب بص، الفكرة ان انت تخلي الفور دي عبارة عن 2 باور 2. لما تيجي تحلها قدامك طريقين، يا اما تقول 1 over 4 اللي هي 2 باور نيجاتيف 2، او تقول له ان هي 2 باور 2 اندومينيتور وبعدين تعمل divided، تعمل subtract ال 2 باورز اللي عندك 20 minus 2 equal 18 كده. دي طريقة تانية. هنا برضو 2 باور 18 نفس الحل. The result will be 2 power 18. Choose letter G. Next question number 3. The height of trapezium is 4 cm and the length of 2 parallel pieces 4 cm at 4 cm. And its area equal. Okay, we have parallelogram. The area of parallelogram base times corresponding height. He give me here the height was 4. جاب لك الهايت 4. طيب ال 2 bases خد بالك ال 4 اللي عندك هتبقى perpendicular على مين؟ هو جاب لك هنا بص، قال لك هنا parallel bases 4 و 12. وقال لك هنا the height of trapezium 4 cm. Length of 2 is parallel bases 4 and 12. انت هتاخد ال 4 يا اما times 4 او ال 4 times 12. 4 times 4 16. 4 times 12 هي 48. طيب 48 مش موجودة، خلاص يبقى ناخد 4 اللي عندي times ايه؟ times 4. فاهم؟ هو المفروض يوضح لك، يقول لك هنا ال 4 دي طبعا ده ترابيزيوم يا ولاد. ترابيزيوم مش بارالوجرام. تاني كده ركز معايا، لا ركز معايا، ده ترابيزيوم يا مستر. خلاص مش بارالوجرام. الترابيزيوم نحلها تاني. انت عندك الهايت كان ب 4 سنتيمتر وقال لك هنا بيسز كانت 4 و 12. امتى نقول بيس تايمز هايت؟ لو كان بارالوجرام، لكن ده ترابيزيوم. وبالتالي الاريا بالنسبه للترابيزيوم بقول half the sum of two bases، يعني اقول 4 plus 12 divided by 2 product by the corresponding height. فاهم؟ يبقى تاني يا ولاد ده معانا ايه؟ ترابيزيوم. ركز، ده ترابيزيوم. ترابيزيوم بجيب الاريا بقول half times the sum of two bases product corresponding height، او ان انا اجيب الميدل بيس وبعدين اعملها times the height. الميدل بيس اللي هي 4 plus 12 divided by 2 16 divided by 2 تبقى 8 و8 times 4 is 32. فهمت؟ يبقى هنا هقول له half product by 4 plus 12 is 16 times 4. بعدين نقول هنا 4 divided by 2 2 times 16 اللي هي 32. Then the area will be 32 square centimeter. Simplify to the simplest. We have cubic root of 125 over 27 plus square root of 25 over 4 subtract by 3 over 2 or power 2. Cubic root of 125 is 5. Cubic root of 27 is 3. Square root of 25 is 5. And square root of 4 2. Subtracted by 3 power 2 is 9. 2 power 2 is 4. And then we can find the least multiplication between 4 and 2 and 3. It will be 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 5 is 20. 2 times 6 12. 5 times 6 30. 3 times 4 12. 3 times 9 27. 20 plus 30 50. Subtract by 27. Right, 12 down and 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then we have 23 over 12. The answer will be 23 over 12. You can simplify it. Write 12. 1 times 12 is 12, and then find difference. The result will be 11. Understood? Again, we can find the least common multiplication. 12. 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 5, 20. 2 times 6, 12. 5 times 6, 30. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 9, 27. 50 minus 27 is 23. 23 over 12. It will be 23 over 12, 1, and 11 over 12. Show the correct answer. $39 product by 10 power negative 8 equal k product by 10 power negative 7. طيب النمبر اللي هنا هنحوله scientific notation. فاكرين الطريقة يا أولاد؟ scientific notation بنحولها ازاي؟ لازم البوينت تتحرك. لو في بوينت بكتبها هنا أو محركها كده، يبقى هنا 3.9 كده product by 10 product by 10 power negative 8. أنا حركتها ناحية اليسار left hand side 1 place، يبقى 10 power 1 لأن حركتها بخطوة واحدة. يبقى لو مفيش بوينت يا مستر بكتبها في الأول هنا وبعدين أحركها شمال بالرقم كده. ليه؟ عشان يكون scientific notation النمبر اللي عندي ده لازم يكون greater than or equal to 1 less than 10. 3.9 times 10 times 10 power negative 8, we can write 3.9 product by 10 power 1 minus 8 will be negative 7. طيب أنا هل الناتج يكافئ ده، فبالتالي k تطلع ب 3.9. This is the value of k 3.9. Next question. X power 4 plus x power 3 plus x power 2 all over x power 2. First step, x power 4 divide x power 2, we can find the difference between two powers here. 4 minus 2 equal 2. X power 3 divide x power 2 to be x power 1. 3 minus 2 1, and x power 2 divide x power 2 1. Then the result will be x power 2 plus x plus 1. Choose letter C. The image of the point with translation x plus 1 y. We have 3 and 4 with translation x plus 1 and y. 3 plus 1 is 4, and write 4 here. The result will be 4 and 4. Choose letter C. Next question. Simplify expression when x equal 10. First we have 2x minus 3 product by 2x plus 3 plus 9. First by first will be 4x power 2, and 3 times 3 is 9, and then write positive 9. The result will be 4x power 2. At x equal 10, then the numerical value will be equal. Put the value of x here equal 10. Then we have 4 times 10 power 2. 10 power 2, 100. 100 times 4, it will be 400. Then the answer here will be 400 about this question. Next example, show the correct answer. Cubic root of square root of 64. We have cubic root of 64, square root of 64 equal 8. Okay, because 8 times 8 is 64, and the cubic root of 8 equal 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 equal 8. Next question. The image of the point with reflection y-axis. We have 0 and 7. You want to find reflection in y-axis. Y-axis, put y here and put the change here. 0 will be 0 because this point lies in what? Lies in y-axis. If any point lies in y-axis, the image will be the same. We have 0 and 7. The area of square whose diagonal 10 centimeter is space square centimeter. We can find the area half diagonal power 2. Area of square half diagonal power 2. Diagonal 10, 10 power 2, 100. Half of 100 will be 50. Then the area will be 50 square centimeter. Next question. Draw angle 120 and then bias compass and ruler. First step, we can draw the ray and then use protractor to draw angle measure of it equal 120. Start from 0 to 120 here, put the point, and then draw the ray from this point to the other. Then we have 120 degree. Now I will open the compass, start like here, and then open the compass and draw arc here and here. The intersection and 2 points, this first point and this second point. Next step, open your compass and then draw the arc up here and going again arc. They are intersection at one point, this point, and then draw ray like this. You bisect now the angle like A, B, C, and we have here BD. Understood? Next question is the quotient of dividing x power 2 minus x minus 12 by x minus 4, where we want to find the quotient. Okay, you can use long division to solve the example. Raise the dividend first. X power 2 minus x minus 12 divided by x minus 4. First step, x power 2 divided by x equal x. Write x out, and then x times x power 2. X times negative 4, it will be negative 4x. Next step, subtract together. Negative x plus 4x will be 3x. 4 minus 1 equal 3. Minus 12. 3x divided by x equal 3. And then 3 times x equal 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. Change the sign here. And the quotient will be x plus 3. The quotient. Next question. Find in Q rational number. We have 3 subtract by 2x less than or equal to 7. We must add the derivative inverse of 7. The derivative inverse of 3, it will be negative 3. Move 3 from left hand side to right hand side and change the sign. Then we have negative 2x less than 7 minus 3 is 4. Next step, we can divide it by negative 2 and change direction here. Then x greater than or equal to 4 divided by negative 2 equal negative 2. Now we can draw number line from negative 2 closed to infinity. Then the solution set will be closed from negative 2 to infinity will be opened. Next question. On the coordinate plane, you want to find the rotation of this triangle around 0 by angle 180. First, we have point A was 1 on 1. We want to find the rotation around 0 by angle 180. 180, it's meaning change direction, negative 1 and negative 1, about sign. Point B was 5 and 1. B dash will be negative 5 and negative 1. Okay, and point C also 5 and 6. C dash will be 5, negative 5 and negative 6. Okay. Now we will draw the points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. First point 1 and 1, A, B 5 and 1, and C 5 and 6. Like this. And next point negative 1 and negative 1 here, E dash, negative 1 and negative 1 here, and B dash negative 5 and negative 1, negative 5 and negative 6, negative 5 and negative 6 here down. خلاص يا ولاد فاهمين؟ خلاص كده انا معايا التراينجل بتاعي برضو بقى بالمنظر ده، رايت انجل تراينجل اهو كده، الاي داش بي داش سي داش. Understood? The exterior of throwing regular diagrams finds the property appearing number more than 6. Number 1. First step, we can find randomly space about die from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Question number 1. He wants a number more than 6. Write E equal number more than 6. It will be infinity. We haven't a number more than 6. It will be null set. The probability of event A will be 0. And number 2. Satisfies the equality. X will be equal what? Greater than or equal to 1, less than 6. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the probability of X equal 6 over 6 equal 1. Next step. Number 3. Satisfies equality. X greater than 2, less than 1. Then X here will be equal 3. The probability of X equal 3 here 1 over 6. We have 1 over 6. The probability here equal 1 over 6. Last question.